This is ColourPop, by the way. The shade kind of rubbed off, so it's this color though. It's like, let me show you. I thought it was brown, but it was way more pink than brown, but that's fine. And I'm going in with this NYX. This Little Berries Minerals liquid lipstick. I love these liquid lipsticks personally. This is the only one I own yet. I think I just like the smell of it. It smells like Swiss Miss. You know the hot chocolate? But it was kind of starting to like do like the whole one lip, one color thing, and I like, you know, I like my lips to look as natural as possible when it comes to liquid lipstick, unless of course like it's an unnatural color, like if it's like purple or something. But even purple, like I like it to look like, yeah, bitch, she woke up with purple lips.